Namaste guys. So recently Kali girl asked me this question. It is concerning, sir, please make videos about what to do if during B2 exam we cannot understand the vocabulary of comprehension technique. Okay, how to handle such a situation, or when we cannot understand some kind of sentence structure. This is a beautiful question, guys. This is a beautiful question, and this is something which is really difficult to teach in such a short video. But since your exam is approaching, Kali girl, I'll try my best to answer your query. Okay, so let me just show you something. Let me just share the on the screen. Suppose this is the topic. This is I took this thing from Le Monde, from Le Monde. All right. Now, wait, let me just close this thing. Yeah. So here also there are few things which you will not understand. So what you can do is dialogue tendu entre, for example, tendu entre la Chine et les États-Unis sur Taiwan. So guys, listen. This is something, this is one of the tricks which I use in my interpretation work. Interpretation work. Okay, which so it is like live interpretation. Okay, live interpretation or translation, whatever you whatever you the word you want to use, you can use. So let's suppose this is the sentence. Let's suppose this is the sentence. Now here what I'll personally do is I'll take into consideration the whole context of the text. Context of the text. Okay, this is something, at Alliance also they teach in C1 level, but I try my best to teach this thing to my students in B2 level itself. Okay, so what you can do is, and I was really lucky that teachers like Padma Natarajan, Usha ma'am from Alliance Francaise, and Somo sir, and these, I mean, like Usha ma'am, special credit goes to her. She taught us this trick in our B1 level, in my B1, and I was very lucky. So what you can do is, first thing is observe the context or text, context of the text. All right. So here, what is the context? Is like, something is going on between China. So a dialogue is happening between China and Itatsuni. Okay. So try to guess. Try to guess, guys. Dekho, there is one thing. Listen, guys. There is one thing that, see, there is something called as disaster. You didn't understand something. You didn't understand something. That's totally perfect. Koi baat nahi. Everyone does mistakes. That's totally fine, guys. This is what life is all about. Okay, but in the shortest time span, what you can do is disaster management. All right, disaster management. This is more important. So try to guess. Try to guess the exact or the correct meaning. Guess the meaning. All right. Another trick which I generally recommend to students is concerning keeping the sentence or word in your mind, and that too uh, without having any idea about the English translation. Okay, so for example, let me just give you an example. Dans son intervention du 11 juin, just a second, guys, just a second. My sincere apologies, guys. A friend called me. So yeah, we were talking about the exact word of the sentence. Okay. Dans son intervention du 11 juin, Lloyd Austin a rappelé la position officielle de Washington sur Taïwan. Now, let's suppose you do not know the meaning of rappeler. Now, generally, what I recommend students to do in their B2 level is B2 or B1 level is that keep the word as it is, or skip the word completely, and try to manage the situation. Okay, try to handle the situation without using that word. Now, dans son intervention du 11 juin, Lloyd Austin a dash la position officielle. Okay, now guys, listen. Here, what I'm trying to convey is See, this is something which is very difficult for me to explain at this point of time. Okay, so this thing comes with the regular practice and all. But at this point of time, Kali girl, what I would recommend you is, see, only 3 days are left. So what you can do is practice at least 5 to 6 comprehension écrite. Okay, from réussir le Delf B1, and try to focus on answers. Comprehension écrite. Okay, try to focus on answers. How you can answer a question. Do not focus on every single word. Try to understand the whole context and then answer. That would help you more in getting some extra marks. I hope uh, the idea was clear. If Kali girl, if I've made a mistake, my sincerest apologies. Because what I personally do is I give different sort of texts and all in order to make students comprehend something. Yeah, that's it. Chalo, bye, tata, take care. धन्यवाद.